Never ever hold a sneeze. You might think it's polite, but your body considers it a bomb threat. A sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour. When you block it, that kinetic energy performs a U-turn directly into your skull. Since the air cannot escape through the nose, it seeks the nearest exits. Your eyeballs. The pressure can launch them up to 3 feet away. In extreme cases, the trapped gas creates buoyancy. You won't die, but you will become a human balloon, forced to live on the ceiling until you finally let it out. So just let it go. Bless you.